RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Connie with me. She's extra special. She was my older two boys' babysitter. So I would take them when I did hair to her house and she would take care of them and just love them so much. So I love that she loves them. So anyway, that is a little bit about Connie. She is extra special. So her haircut is fun. It's layered. It's just medium length here on her shoulders, just below her shoulders. So it's really fun and has a lot of movement with it, which I love. So what I'm gonna do is, I have to tell you, she was here when we did the last video. She was processing. And it was so funny because we talked about like, not the cut, but not a trim, the in-between. So I wash her and she's like, okay, so I want the in-between too. So we're doing the in-between with Connie. We're not just trimming and we're not cutting. So we're doing the in-between. Okay, with her length, so you can see it's just off of her shoulders. Wow, it really has grown. So we're doing, yeah, like I said, the in-between. Okay. When you do the sides, you guys, when you're cutting, make sure that their head is level, which she's used to it. So she has her head level already. Just coming up here in the front. Okay, and then I'm gonna put her head down again because I'm gonna come and do this side. I always start in the middle for the trim, / middle. We're not doing the trim and the cut. Okay, enough of that, RaDona. Okay, so we're coming over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna tilt the head, but leave it even. Or level, I guess I should say, not even, level. Okay, sweet. All right, now with the layering, which is so cute, she does a really good job styling her hair. Point cut into these layers. Okay. Just following these layers around like a 90-degree around her head. And back here, I just pull this straight out. Okay, there's no, it's straight. There's no angle on this, even though it's out, it's just straight, okay? Then, same here, just a little more than a trim, taken off of these layers. Yeah, these layers are super cute when we dry it. Yeah, they're bouncy, and that's one thing with, you know, people say, well, I don't want to chop my hair, or I don't want to, anyway, the thing that I always like when people want to change but they don't know what to do is either color it, because that's a change and fun change. And then that way you're not chopping it off. The other thing is, you know, you can do some bangs. Connie has a bang that kind of goes off to the side, and I'll show it to you when we style and when we cut. But that's definitely one thing without chopping it off is color. Totally helps, or add some bangs to your style. Obviously the bangs, you know, it depends what style you have or what kind of bang you want to do, is my point. I'm kind of blabbing today. I just talk. In fact, when COVID was going, my husband, oh my gosh, Connie, it might have been you in the salon when he said that, when he's like, because there was a couple people saying, are they gonna shut you down? I'm like, no, heck no, I hope not. Anyway, and my husband says, oh, well, I'll have to call RaDona's clients and pay him to come and talk to her, because I'm like, what? But it is, because I just love talking. Okay, just bringing these layers down. Yeah, it's sweet. My oldest boy, the one that just had my first grandbaby, which is so fun, Connie and my son share a birthday. Yeah. So that's something extra special too, so. There's nothing like having somebody love your kid while you're away. it was very comfortable for me to work and leave them because I knew they was being loved and cared for, and
favorite. Yeah.
They are very blessed to have her. Okay, so you can see that I just trimmed those layers this way. Now I'm gonna hold these straight out. And you can see how I held it out, and now I'm coming up this way like a fan up towards the top layer. Okay, same over here. I hope you guys are having a good day. We're having a good day. It's always fun when Connie comes, and Brenna, she's behind the camera. She's a sweetheart. She's my cousin's daughter, so she's my cousin also, but she's almost ready to have her baby. I'm so excited. She has 3 girls and now she's having a boy, so that's way exciting for her. Behind the camera, she's smiling big. Okay, now, same thing here. So we're not, you know, just trimming, we're taking a tiny bit more than a trim, which is good because this goes around her face cute when we round brush it. You doing good, Con?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Yeah. So Connie's color, we do a 4N and a 4R. So the 4R gives it some depth in there, so it's not just dark. And you can definitely see that when you're out in the sun. It comes out really pretty. And then you'll see it more when I dry it. It looks, you know, dark now just because it's wet, but it's really pretty, so. Okay, now what we're gonna do is some texture through the top. See where it bends here is where it's the heaviest, okay? So I'm gonna come in here, just take a little bit of that hair out. Don't go by a part. You wanna stay away from parts or the hairline. Okay, and then I'm just gonna come down here through the back. I just did 3, like 1, 2, 3, through the back there. That will give it some volume, you guys. So if you like it just straight, you know, flat down, whatever, then you don't need texture. But if you want your hair to stand up more, even if it's super long or short, texture can really help with that. So just a little info for you. Okay, now the mousse, I'm gonna go through the top here. This is going to give her volume. Then I'm gonna put some blowout cream, because you can see hers is longer through here, just to protect the ends from the heat. The blow dryer. Okay, just rub that in. So I go mid-strand to the ends. So if any of you have longer hair and want to protect it, this one is a good one. It's a blowout cream to protect it. It also helps to dry your hair faster. So if you have really thick long hair, blowout cream is awesome because it helps it dry a lot faster. So, okay, we're gonna dry this. We're going to round brush. I'm gonna use a bigger round brush, little one at first and then the big one right after. All right. Okay, so, yay, does that feel better?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay, I'm going to put a tiny bit of the styling paste just through her bang area and a little bit up through the top just to piece out these layers so you can see it's more piecey. Are you feeling better? Con?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Feels so good.
Good, good. Okay.
I love it when it's RaDona Day.
That's so nice. I love that it's my day. Because see, then I get to chat, I get to see ya. Okay, so you can see that I come like 3 or 4 sections down to backcomb that. And then of course, just spray where the backcombing is. Okay, I usually do a couple here and then one just down here. Okay, now same thing here.
I love that color.
Yay, good. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. I know when I said to her the one day, hey, do you want to add some red? She's like, wait, what? I'm like, it won't be like way red, but.
I love it.
And now she's like, yeah, add some more red. Oh, that's great. That's the other thing too, if you're kind of bored of your color, if you just add a little bit of warmth or something like that, it can make the world of difference. Oh, yeah, sorry. I guess I gotta look and see. See what's going on here. So cute, hon. Okay. Now we're just gonna spray this. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna take this off so you can kind of see how cute these layers are. Okay. It's just cute. It just kind of does its own thing. And what I've done is I just round brushed it. You've seen that. And I didn't use the flat iron or anything. Yeah. So this is just cute. And the layers just laying after it's round brush. So it's so cute. Thanks again, Connie. You're awesome. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, I would love to get with you and help you out. I'll get to you as soon as I can. And again, thanks for all your support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. See ya.